Hi, my name is Cynthia Galli. I'm a life care planner from Huntington Beach, California, and I am in Florida for the AANLCP conference, and I took Pat Iyer's class on writing skills at the pre-conference, and it was excellent. I recommend her class to anybody who wants to improve your writing skills. It had so many items to remember to help your writing look professional, and if you want your reports to stand out from others, I would highly recommend taking her class. She's excellent. She has excellent resources for you to use, including websites that you can use, and the information is invaluable. So if you get an opportunity, take her class. Thanks.